Hey, announcer guy here for Sean and Kevin, world travelers who occasionally go to places you haven't been. In this episode, the boys are in the United States. So settle in and welcome to Travel by Numbers.
Well, it's 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm not even awake yet. We're heading to Buffalo, New York, in the United States. Haven't been there in about 5 years or so. We're just going to go to the outlet malls down there and just Wegmans for food shopping because they have so much more selection than we do in Canada. We're also going to hit Target. Target came to Canada, but they only lasted about a year and a half, 2 years, something like that, and they pulled out. It just wasn't the same as the American version, so we're going to hit that up. We're going to go to Khol's, and maybe just a few other places. Might go on an adventure. We're staying at a place called The Mansion on Delaware, which we've stayed at before.
So, what?
Sean's drinking his Tim Hortons coffee, of course, like a true Canadian.
Yeah, we've only been up for about 4 hours. We're early risers. We usually get up around 4 o'clock. We just dropped the dog off at a kennel that's close to our house just for the night. So hopefully he'll be worn out by the time we pick him up.
Early to bed, early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy, and wise. Isn't that what they say? No comment. Oh well, we're still waiting. This is the 401 westbound highway. We're just east of Toronto, so at this point it's only 6 lanes. But in Toronto itself, it actually gets up to about 15 lanes. It's the largest, widest highway in North America, and consequently also the most congested. fashion outlet mall here in Buffalo was a total bust. Almost nobody there at all. A lot of the stores were closed. The ones that were open, I mean, they're the same as what we find in Canada, only the prices down here are expensive. So when you do the conversion, adding about 30% currency exchange from Canadian to American, it ends up being a lot more money down here. So yeah, I don't know. Probably won't ever return to that. It just doesn't seem worth the drive. So anyway, now we're heading to a place called Crumble Cookies to, well, buy cookies. So they're very good. So this cookie, this is the, what is this one? This is the oatmeal meal cookie. It's good. It's warm. It's almost a cakey consistency. It's good. I think this one's served warm. And then we just got the classic chocolate chip one. So I forget how much this all came to. I think 24. So we just got a box of 6. We're not going to eat all 6. Well, Kevin might, not me. The mansion on Delaware, and this is a standard suite. So it's king size bed, and then over here you have a desk to write on. Oh, look! I think they gave us some treats. Just have a look. Oh, that's nice. Chocolates. Like that. Now this room runs about $275 a night. $275 a night. And in here, this is an ample-sized bathroom. And they also have a butler service on demand. So if you want to go for dinner, if you want to be dropped off, I think there's a 3-mile radius around the property that they can let you off free or pick you up free of charge, which is a nice added feature. So we're having the lime margarita. This is their frozen margarita. I think it was, how much was this, Kevin? $22? So it's just their classic margarita. Look at the ice.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please click the like button. And by subscribing and turning notifications on, you'll help us create new content. Thanks for watching. And remember, experiences, not things.